this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 or more per day on TikTok. Welcome back. My name's Scott, and I've been on TikTok for a little over 9 months now. And I can tell you, you don't have to have 10,000 followers and just depend on the Creator Fund. I'm going to show you quite a few different ways where you can start making money right away with as little as 30 minutes a day. As you can see, I have over 800,000 followers, and I did that in just over 9 months. And I'm gonna go through how you can set your account up as well as how you can monetize it. So hey, let's jump right into it. I'm assuming you have a TikTok account. If you don't, you're definitely gonna want to download the TikTok app and set up an account. Now, the account that you have set up is really quite important. A lot of people will pick the business account, and the reason they do that is because you get a link in your bio right away. But I can tell you from experience, you absolutely don't want a business account. And the reason for that is what makes a lot of videos go viral is the music that you choose. And when you have a business account, you don't get to choose a lot of the top songs because they're copyrighted. However, if you have a creator account, which you absolutely want to do, then you can use any song that you want. So step one, make sure that you have that creator account. Next, you want to do a little bit of research. If you're new to TikTok, or even if you've been on TikTok for a while and you want to start producing videos that you can monetize and make money off of, then you're going to want to do some research on the types of videos that you're going to create and look and see what's popular. What are other creators doing with their videos? And a few things you want to look for. You want to look for the length of the popular videos. And when I say popular, preferably over 100,000 views. Next, you want to look at the hashtags that they use. That's another thing that's really important. Also, look at the music that they're using. That's critical when it comes to TikTok. You also want to look at what hook they're using. For me, I jump into the screen on all of my TikTok videos because when somebody is scrolling through, it gets their attention and makes them stop. And it's proven to work over and over again. So you want to do a little bit of research before you jump into monetization because you can't monetize videos that nobody has watched. So once you do that, you are ready for step number 2. Step number 2 has to do with video creation. You've done your research, and trust me, we're gonna get right into monetization after this, but if you're not set up right, the monetization won't happen. So in step number 2, in your videos, first you have to be consistent. You're gonna wanna post at least 1 video a day. I found for quick success, when I started my channel, I posted 5 to 10 videos a day for the first 2 weeks, and my channel blew up right away. From there, moving forward, it just continued to grow. After that, I scaled down slowly to 3 videos a day, and then 1 video a day. Now, you don't have to do that. It's up to you how fast you wanna grow, but I would say on TikTok, a minimum of 1 video per day is going to be needed. Next is the length of your videos. Out of all the videos that I have created, my most viral videos are 15 seconds or less. 15 to 30 seconds is probably the next time frame. Over 30 seconds, you lose people. So I would try to be brief, get to the point, cover just one topic in your video. And for me, I do that quick with a fast intro, get to the point, and the video is 15 seconds or less. As long as you are doing these things, you're modeling success, you're consistent in creating a video at least once a day, and then there's short videos that get to the point and they either solve a problem, teach somebody something, educate, entertain, or inform. Now you're ready to monetize. So let's jump into that. Monetization method number 1 is the Creator Fund. If you're not at 10,000 followers, just skip to the next technique, monetization number 2. But I will show you how you get set up. Once you get that 10,000 followers, then what you need to do is apply to be in the Creator Fund. And actually, the first 2 times that I applied, I was denied. And then the 3rd time, I was actually able to enter the Creator Fund. So don't get frustrated if you don't get there the first time you try. And you can only apply once every 30 days. But hey, let's grab your phone and I'll show you the steps to get there. Click on the TikTok app, and then in the top right, click the 3 lines. And from here, the 4th line down is Creator Tools. And then right at the bottom is Creator Marketplace and the TikTok Creator Fund. And just a side note, your analytics up top are extremely valuable as well. Monetization step number 2 is where you put a link in your bio. Now, in that link in your bio, you're going to have different offers, and those are going to be affiliate offers. And an affiliate offer is just where you send somebody for a free training or for a product that you recommend or that you use. And that is really one of the easier ways to monetize, but that does require 1,000 followers before you can get the link in your bio. Once you get that link in your bio, you can either sign up for a free account at Linktree, or you can just put it on your website, and that's what I've done. Let me show you how that looks on mine. Okay, we are here at my TikTok page, and I just wanted to show you right here is where people can click to get to the link in your bio. I didn't mention this earlier, and I'm going to show you where you can get the short URL, but you can also just buy, like for instance, talk55.com is one that I own, and it takes people right to an offer. And you can also have that take people right to your Linktree or your webpage. So if people click here, it says, okay, you're leaving. And then this goes from here to my website. And right here, it looks a little different on a mobile phone, but I put one of my top offers here, another one there, and as you can see, I just go through all of those and at the end check out my blog. So this is a great way to get people to your website and to your offers, and you do need a link in the bio to go right from here. However, in your videos you can put that short URL in a title as well. Either one will work. Monetization method number 3, and this one is probably my favorite, and it's using what are known as short URLs. And what I mean by that, if I'm filming a video and I flash, and it's just going to be quick on TikTok, I flash up some long address of www.gotomyoffer.com. The problem with that is people are going so fast they're not going to remember it. So what you do is you actually go over to Namecheap and you buy what's called a domain name, and you have it forwarded to your offer, and it's some type of short URL. What I'd like to do is jump on the computer and show you a couple that I've bought, and then exactly how I use those so you can do it too. Okay, here we are at another one of my TikTok channels, and what I want to show you here is that when I actually, you can see my titles here, and when I click play, I'm going to mute that. But in just a second, you can see right there, pico6.com leads right to one of my offers, and that's a short URL that I bought. And you want to buy a URL that is 3 to 4 letters and then a number, something that's easy to remember. When people look, pico6.com, I can remember to type that in. It's not some long URL. And that's how you can feed people to literally anywhere that you want, whether it's an offer, to your YouTube channel, to your website. It's completely up to you, and you don't need any amount of followers to do that. Monetization method number 4 takes a lot more followers, and it takes 100,000 followers, and then you can apply to the creator marketplace. And this is one where TikTokers really start to make a lot more money, because TikTok will partner you with brands, and then you decide the price that you're going to charge in order to make a video that promotes their product. And that's how probably a lot of influencers on TikTok make a large portion of their money, are through those deals. However, if you have less than 100,000 followers, there is yet one more way. And I love this one. It's going to take a little bit of hustle, but let's jump right into that one next. Hey, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button if you like this video. Number 5, one of my favorites, takes a little bit of hustle, and that's simply contact business owners within your niche. You can send them an email or send them a Facebook message and just say, hey, I have this many TikTok followers. I love your product. I use it. I believe in it. And I would love it if we could work together. Let me know if you're interested. It really is that simple. Add a little hustle. Hey, as always, thanks for watching.